First, for login, you have to put the company code. For Prime, it will be Prime RAC, your username, and your password. You can log in and you will go directly to the dashboard where you can see the rental agreements and the bookings for today and the vehicle availability. For checking agreement, once the driver is done checking out the vehicle, you can able to search by agreement number, the booking ID, or by the plate number to find the rental agreement and to proceed for closing. Now, we will use the agreement number, remove the date range, and search. Once the check-in from mobile is done, there will be no pending coming here. Pending from checkout from mobile or pending from check-in from mobile will be gone. Okay, it will not be there. So you have to just close the agreement. These details, the time in, the fuel mileage in, and the branch in will be updated through application. The tolls will be updated as well. So you just have to confirm these details. If you need to further changes, you can change. If you need to add notes, you can add the notes here. If there's any required payment to collect, you will collect and enter the payment later. So since this is full credit, we will not take any money and you just need to save and the agreement is closed.